Hey y'all, it's Peryn, and for today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this blue icy girl type of look. It's inspired by Saweetie, the rapper. I just love Saweetie, like her style and her aesthetic and her whole icy theme is so cute. So I thought I would do this look inspired by her. But if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So I wanted to do this icy girl type of look, but the palette I'm going to be using today is the Blue Moon ColourPop palette. The words kind of faded away. I like to prime my eyes. This is going to set the foundation for your eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to get some tape and I'm just going to be putting it on the outer corner of my eye. And I just use this because I suck at enunciating the wings of my makeup by myself, so I just use tape to, you know, help a out. And I'm just going to tap it in with this brush from BH Cosmetics. Then I'm gonna go back in with my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to make sure it's all set in. I don't set it with no translucent powder because I want my eyeshadow to pop. So now we can jump into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna be going in with this color and it's like a royal blue color, and I'm gonna be using my M421 brush to stamp that directly into my crease so that I can get the shape of it. Stamping on the colors so that it can be a little bit more vibrant. Now I'm just going to be taking this kind of round brush to blend out the edges of my cut crease, and this is just going to ensure that it doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm just going to be using my M433 brush, and I'm going to be taking this light blue shade and I'm just going to lightly blend out the part where I already blended out, if that makes sense. I'm just using tiny strokes, like I'm not like going like that. I'm just using like tiny circular motions so that it doesn't lose the form. Now I'm going to go back in with that royal blue and I'm just going to blend out the edges again. If you see something glowing in my window, that's just my electric candle. Well, now I'm going to go in with this really dark blue. I'm just going to be placing it right on top of the royal blue, and this is going to give the cut crease a little bit more depth and dimension. So now to cut my crease, I'm not going to be using regular concealer. I'm going to be using white concealer. And I love using white concealer because you can guarantee that this fucking concealer is going to make your look pop. I'm just going to be using my 213 brush, and I just want to give you a heads up. I am not that good at cut creases, but I try my best. So my cut crease has a kitten toe. Don't ask me what happened. I should just clean my lid off first. So I'm gonna try to fix it because it look a hot mess. So we back in business. I'm just going to take the excess of what I already used, and I'm just going to be putting it on top of the lid and then blending it out. So I'm just going to take the white from this palette and I'm going to pack it on to my cut crease, and it's just going to set it. I look crazy. And I'm just going to be packing it into the inner corner of my crease. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of the royal blue and place it right next to this shade. Just going to start a gradient effect. Now I'm going to take this turquoise shade So I'm just going to bluff out my lower lash line using that dark blue and the navy blue. So now I'm just going to use this Wet n Wild pencil liner, and I'm just going to put it on my waterline. I think I poked my eyeball out there so bad. And now I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes. So for my inner corner, I'm gonna use the same palette, but I dropped it. I don't want it to get everywhere, but I'm just going to be using the top left corner of that palette. I'm going to be using that shade to put it in my inner corner. So that concludes this icy girl kind of look. This look was inspired by Saweetie. Like I said earlier, I really do love her aesthetic. If you're wondering, I got these earrings like when I was 17. I'm 21 now, so you do the math. But I got these from Walmart, I believe. They were really cheap, so they blinged out. If y'all enjoyed this look, then please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see y'all in my next video.